Hello, I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw a crocodile. Now for this one we're going to need a pencil. I know I usually do them with a pen, but I'll show you in a minute why we need a pencil and a rubber. What I would say is that when you're doing these anyway, I would use a pencil and then you can rub out and change it as to how you want it afterwards and then go over. But I'll show you why now. So what I'm going to do is his tail is going to be here and we're going to come up to the head. So I'm going to draw a line with the pencil. Try and press on lightly so it rubs out afterwards and up to there. Okay, now the reason why I've done it with a pencil is he's got some spikes on his back. So if I do it with a pen, when I put the spikes on, as you can see, it would have gone through the spikes. So that's why. I always actually use a pencil first and sketch it anyway, but I do it with a black pen so you can see. So I'm going to put the spikes on like that. I'm just going to draw mine a bit darker. I'll go over in a minute, then you can see. So there's the spikes. Now they're going to come down here because his tail's going to curl around. So I'm just doing the hard bit first. This is a bit of a difficult one, and I practice this one. Okay, so the spikes are going to go like, and then they're going to turn a little. So I'm just going to do that. As you can see, when I draw, I do that. Then you can get your shape better. So it's just easier. And I always start with the pencil. So we're going to come down there. So now, with that bit, he's going to have spikes going up here as well. Like that. So now, when we do it, we can just do the spikes and then we can do the other bits. So on this bit, I'm alright to do that till I meet that spike there. I don't know what the spikes are called actually, but there we go. So then we could do that, and then we can do these. Now they're going to be slightly rounded at the bottom like that. So like that, up, round, just like that. We've got another one here, up, round, just like that. There we go. We can draw them all the way, all along his back. There we go. Do the hard bit first, get that out of the way. That's like that. And they're going to come up like that now because his tail is curled around. Okay, and they go smaller as well. So now it's easy because we can see our line and we're not going to go through the spike. So that's why, as I said, I always draw with a pencil first, but I wanted to show you with a pen so you can see easier. So we just got them to join up, just like that. And then we're all right to do the tail that we've already drawn with a pencil. And then we can come down. I'm just going to stop there because his leg's going to be coming in here. Now, on this bit, I'm just going to draw a little bit like that because that's where his tail's going to curl. And we're going to put some lines on there like that. That'll make sense once I've done a bit more of the drawing. So his feet. So he's going to start from here. I'm going to come round to the heel. Heel. I always call it an heel. It's because of where I grew up, I think. We don't seem to pronounce our H's very well. So come round like that. And then we're going to do his feet. He's got funny feet. I had a look on the internet and I looked at cartoons and I looked at real crocodiles. And I like the little feet. I think they're quite cute, really. Never found a crocodile as cute? I'm not sure. Okay, so that, and then his leg's going to come in here, front leg. And I'm going to do a curved line, his heel, and then his foot. And then we're going to go up, there we go for his foot. Now we're going to join it to there. That's his leg. Now this leg's up at the back. So what we have to do to make it go back, we draw a line all the way down. And it needs to be further back. So this one's forward in front. So that leg needs to be lower down. So let's just draw that one. Like that. These big feet. Like that. Feet can be difficult to draw. That's going to come up there. Right. face. That is my favourite bit. So what shall we do with his mouth? I'm going to do a bit of a smile. I'm going to do him as a quite friendly crocodile. Now what I'm going to do actually, I'm going to use the pencil again because I want teeth on it. So I'm going to draw his teeth like that first and draw his smile. I have one there. So now we can draw along that. You can rub these pencil lines out after if they're still showing like mine is there. And then I do his teeth like that. You can see better. And then his big chin, I'm going to have like a bit of a saggy chin. There we go. That's that. And I'm going to do really big cartoon eyes to make him look quite cute, I think. And that's one. And another one, similar size if we can. And then I'm going to join them together. And then I'm going to have a bit on top. There we go. And then the same there. And then they have quite a long snout or nose. It's going to come up and then meet that line there. Then his nostrils, cartoony, so nice and big, like that. Oh, and I nearly forgot his eyes. There we go. Leave a white bit in the middle just to make him look like he's got shiny eyes. There we go. And one more thing, you'll see I've done the lines here. Now the underbelly of the crocodile is like this. It needs to come across. We need to try and make sure that's in line with that one. I'm going to come down and across like that. And then here we're going to go, oh, I've not done his chin bit there. That needs to come in like that. Oh, it looks quite cute now. And then I'm going to draw coming down like that. And then we need lines. If you look on the internet, you'll see some crocodiles. You'll see this. Try and keep them even, distance apart. There will be one behind that leg, so I'm going to come one out here. And there we go. And that is him done. A cute crocodile. I quite like him. You maybe don't want to draw nails on as well. Quite like that one. I like him. He's cute. So I'd love to see your pictures. So if you send them me, you'll find my details below, email and Facebook page. I will share them on my Facebook page. And thank you for watching.